This is the Omnitable. Kind of heavy. You'll see it has wheels on the bottom. It can hold 500 pounds. You can use it to push, obviously, 2 of the wheels turn, so you can make turns with it. It doesn't just go in a straight line. Put things on it, use it as a sort of a dolly. One of the benefits of this Omnitable, it has a handle, so you can carry it to and from the job site. There are little clasps here. Got clasps, 4 of them. Since it's a rectangle, it would make sense 4 would be appropriate. 3 and you've got a problem. 2, impossible. Use your brain. You undo the clasps, you can flip this top around. There's just a orange on the other side. I have no idea why somebody would want it like that. People want dumb things though. It even says Omnitable, so people know you have the Omnitable. It's got a ruler on it. It's got a ruler on it. If you like to measure things. It's got other things. It's got a hole so you can drill things. Look at that. You can use it as a, that's why I like it. If you need to drill through something, you're not drilling through the table. It's got what looks like a cup holder and a place to hold pens, pencils, whatever kind of stuff you want to hold. It's got legs. When you extend the legs, you can use it at the first lowest level. They advertise that you can have it as a step. You can sit on it. If you're old and tired like I am, you can just sit down. Lift it up even higher, you got yourself a table. I will show what this looks like. It's actually kind of cumbersome when you think about it. Before I open it up, actually after I'll show you. Look at that. Pull a pin, up it goes. Pull a pin, up it goes. Thrilling. There you go. I'm sitting on the Omnitable. We'll hold 500 pounds, so no worry here. I've responded to my critics, and this video is the answer to that. Serious. The facts. My critics complained, and this is now a serious video about tools and crap like that. I hear the woodworkers just want to see what it is, want to move on. Maybe their mom's calling them to dinner. I don't know. Tools. So, this is the Omnitable. I'm sitting on it. So far, the best use I've found is a seat. You can raise the legs up and it becomes a slightly taller seat or a table. I'll show how easy that is right now. Push a button in, pull the leg out. Push the little button on the inside in, pull the leg out. Little button, push it in, pull the leg out. Push this other button in, guess what? You pull the leg out. Serious. So, another thing that I thought was cool, this right here is a power strip. You plug an extension cord in, you have 3 spots to plug in. I can imagine were I to use this on a job site, I just might put my charger here so I can charge my batteries, maybe even my phone. Power strip. This is now a serious video about a table that can be used on a job site or in the shop. If your mommy lets you put it in the garage, you can put it in the garage and use it to put things on, your comic books, whatever. This video is in response to the critics saying that I edit too much. This will not be edited much. This is for you, whoever you random person was who didn't like what I do. It's got legs. It's flat. If you undo these little clasps, of which there are 4, you can flip it around And what I believe it's for is so that you're not scratching your nice faux wood surface during transport and setup, because it is easiest to set it up while laying it on its top. If you have your nice faux wood printed surface, you're going to scratch it. So don't be an idiot. Flip it around. This cost me $179 on what I believed was a sale. Then I found it for $159 at Home Depot. So yes, I got taken. Shop around. Something suspiciously similar to this on Amazon for $120. So the moral of the story is, don't buy the first time you see something, or the second time sometimes. Shop around, think about it. Don't waste your money. Omnitable. The reason I got this table was so that I could set it up on a job site, have a flat surface to work on, and maybe even not have to bend down to pick up my batteries from the charger. It's a much better height, especially as you get older. It's nice to not have to bend over real far. So there you have it. So I hope this is serious and to the point enough. It's called the Omnitable. Shop around. You can get it for probably $120 to $150 or so. Don't do like me. Don't just buy it the easiest, quickest place. Shop around. Be smart about it. But if you need a table from which to work, this definitely has its place. So there. Take it or leave it. Bye.